mbabuuza munkoze eki bagamba ototya omuntu n'odduka noto omuntu n'okoona omuntu n'odduka ne mbabuuza nkoonyani okoonye omuntu kati now the other second guy, so it was mostly one guy speaking, the second guy said olaba okoona omuzungu n'odduka kati ne mbabuuza omuntu gwe nkoonye mukooneddewa mbona muŋŋoona. Meanwhile I don't really pass namuŋŋoona, but I use a namuŋŋoona bypass. Namuŋŋoona bagamba namuŋŋoona totwesiriwaliza kufuluma mangu olabe ne damage gy'okoze emmotoka gy'ekoze. Meanwhile, I have a dent on my front number plate, which has been there since the 24th of December. So now when they said that, I knew they were lying because that dent had been there. Of course they were lying. I knew that. Now, fuluma kati. But I'm also a lazy driver. I don't really want to get out of cars when I'm driving. So I refuse to get out. Namagamba, you know what? Since wanokumpi waliwo police tugende wali ku police mu mpabiri nkole statement nziso omuntu tugende kale twali tubabuulira aba police nkole statement nenyimirira ku traffic officer ne mugamba sebo, and I stopped in the middle of the road ne mugamba sebo abasajja abali mu motoka eyo they are threatening me, they have threatened me bakute. You could see that some of them actually, like I think one of them had a knife, like you could actually see it. Abala bakute migomine ne mugamba nti they have threatened me mbonzeso omuntu, they are stopping me tugende mfulume motoka bangamba nziso omuntu sinnatta ku muntu. So the guy laughed nangamba owonye nnyo nangamba owonye, those guys were going to beat you up properly bakusuule mwala but wale motoka bakutwaleko n'ebintu byonna you have survived.
Download the Salt Media app from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.